This year we have some new quad split products. We have a product that's integrated within a Sony monitor. In the back of the monitor you can put 4 HD SDI signals or SDI signals, or for that matter just straight NTSC video. It'll automatically auto switch in it and give you that, as well as you can go up to full screen. We also have this available in the 6800 card format. Our multi-viewer line goes beyond just the quad split. We have a new Predator 2 product line, which has up to 32 inputs of SD, HD, or HD SDI, or as well as NTSC inputs. Again, auto switching from a single spigot, it doesn't matter. It gives you up to 32 inputs, graphical inputs, as well as time code inputs. The Centrio multi-viewer that does plug into the Platinum router is very CPU intensive. And having a CPU built within the multi-viewer is extremely important because that allows us to give very good high quality audio meters as well as scrolling text information. We can do RSS feeds, we can do really good looking clocks, really cool activity, as well as do things like closed captioning on the screen. And we can also stream across source IDs as well. For large routing applications, our Platinum router is ideal. The heart of our control system is our nucleus control panel. This is available as a desktop model as well as a 2RU model. Very easily turning configuration and control. And at the heart of this as well is our CCS navigator control system. That allows us to monitor alarms on all the various bits of Harris broadcast equipment. For example, if a video disappears, an alarm will go and you can see the different tracks here where the alarm goes and the different faults, so we can switch over to a backup system. The other thing is it allows us instantaneous access control to all of the proc functions within the products. Our multi-processing product, the X85 product, is now in 1080p, so it does have 3 gigabits inputs and outputs, up conversion, down conversion, all the other aspects of our X products, processing products. And again, it has HTTP control, so you can use the CCS Navigator product, or you can just plug in your computer and use the web server that's built in. The Harris Advanced Core Processing products include processing for analog signals, SD signals, HD, as well as 3 gigabit signals. What's very interesting about all of these different signal formats is AFD. You have to make sure the aspect ratio is automatically translated between that. We do that seamlessly in all of the Harris products. We make sure AFD go through the products, as well as we can seamlessly switch if you suddenly go from an SD signal, which is 4x3, into a 16x9 signal. Our Videotech line of products are completely filled out with handheld products for both signal generation as well as test and monitoring equipment. We also have a new metadata analyzer. As times are changing, analyzing your metadata is a very, very important aspect of business because you want to make sure things are automated as much as possible. This new product does that. As well as we've taken our TVM VTM line and turned it into a more compact line that is battery powered. Our Inscriber G7 graphics system gives you excellent graphics in the 3D system. It also integrates into our Connectus production graphic layout system. Whether you're running ASI, IPTV, or file import, or strictly SDI or HSDI, you want to make sure that you run into a solid server system. And we do this with our Nexio server product, with various software packages included in that. For instance, our M-Capture software, our Media Gateway, or our baseband ingest software. And this is all in the Nexio. This year we have our AMP platform. Our AMP platform is multiple server playouts within the same chassis. Something else we have in our Nexio this year is solid state storage. And the solid state storage goes up to 2.4 terabytes of storage. Broadcasters are always looking at ways of making new money, and of course in this economy you need to do that. One way to do that is with digital signage. And with Infocaster we can help you create exciting new products for advertising, new ways of advertising. We have a new punctuate system which allows you to make sure you push the advertising out to the right centers, as well as make sure you can invoice and bill the customers correctly.